It's a commercial grade coffee percolator or for hot water from SYBO. It's a really well made, easy to use system. The lid here is a twist top that locks. Just push down a little bit, you twist, and on top you'll see it's a filter, your percolator. Inside is stamped so you can see your max cup of 30. It's a 3.5 liter, and there's where the hot water will circulate and percolate to the top and give you a very nice roast. Again, this is pressure closed, so once you push it and twist, you just have to get it aligned here. Oh, I didn't align the percolator cup. There you go. Put that down and twist. So once this heats up, it'll lock in place so you won't be able to open, but just make sure all of this can still be hot, so just watch where you touch. It's a stainless steel with a very nice nozzle. If this is on the stand, you could just simply push in and it'll pour out a nice hot coffee to your cup. Or you can also lift and squeeze this way and it'll also do the same. It does have a nice secure button that's water resistant housed in this, so you can turn it on and off. But overall, this is the perfect coffee machine for your company or business.